Today we are going to look at the technical differences between designing posters in Photoshop and Illustrator. These are two core tools in Adobe Creative Cloud, and understanding their strengths will help you choose the right one for your design needs. Let's begin with a fundamental distinction. Photoshop is a raster-based software, while Illustrator is vector-based. Photoshop uses pixels, which makes it great for photo editing and effects. Illustrator uses mathematical paths, making it ideal for crisp, scalable graphics like logos or typographic posters. This visual comparison helps reinforce the difference. With raster graphics in Photoshop, resolution is fixed. If you zoom in, you'll see the pixels. With vector graphics in Illustrator, everything stays smooth, no matter how much you zoom or resize. Let's break down the differences between Photoshop and Illustrator. We'll go over what each one is best used for, check out examples of their outputs, see the file formats they save in, and compare how they look in the end. In the left side, you can see an image in 1x, it's sharp. At 4x, it's pixelated because raster files are made of fixed pixels. Enlarging beyond their native resolution causes quality loss. Best saving formats for photos and web for Photoshop files are PNG, JPEG, GIF, TIFF. PNG is best for graphics with transparency like logos, icons, web images. JPEG is best for photos and realistic images like smile file sizes and web use. GIF is best for simple graphics or animations, limited colors. TIFF is best for high-resolution print and professional editing. When it comes to resolution, 72 dpi is good for web. 300 dpi is a high resolution for printing. High resolution preserves clarity when scaling. So just keep it in mind, always start with the highest resolution if you plan to enlarge or print. In the right, this image shows how vector graphics stay sharp at any size while you're working with Illustrator. At 1x or 4x, there is no pixelation because they're made from mathematical paths, not pixels. They're best for logos, complex designs. There is no quality loss when enlarged, and the common formats of use are AI, EPS, PDF, and SVG. AI is good for editable illustrations for design work. EPS is best for printing and professional publishing. PDF is easy sharing while preserving vector quality. And SVG or scalable vector graphics are web-friendly, scalable for online graphics. A tip is here, choose vectors when you need flexibility for both web and large-scale print. Here we see two examples of 1984 book covers. The one on the left was created in Photoshop and the one on the right in Illustrator. Illustrator designs usually feel more graphic and clean with flat colors, scalable text, and precise lines. In contrast, Photoshop designs often incorporate photographic elements, textures, and effects like glue, shadows, or lighting. Each software is powerful in its own way. The choice depends on whether your project calls for photographic realism and texture or scalable precision and clean vector design.